So we're back now. The compression test went well. I'm gonna put everything back together, and after this, I'll get the carb hooked back up and everything, give it a nice cleaning, as you saw in my previous video. I'm thinking about ordering a filter. OEM's like 20, but the some Chinese little knockoffs only probably like 10, 11. See what it'll run me. The bike could use a fender. You can see. You can use a front brake. Its rear brake works fantastic. It can use some blinkers. I'm assuming the back ones work. The tail light and brake light work. Cannot kill these machines. The compression was 120. It's amazing. Throttle's fine. Good response, at least when I drove it. Its blinker works. Headlight works. Horn is working. It needs a good functioning battery, which I have. Got to do the fill it with acid first. This blinker, not sure if it works. Not sure if the bulb works. Again, needs a fender. Needs new tires. Needs a seat. I'm cleaning it up. Cleaning stuff here. Check it out. Cleaning everything. It was nice and dirty. It's a little better now. Okay. Wrapping up here. The final stages of this mini-series. And let's put her back together here. This box, number 1 Phillips JIS. Snug. Great design. Okay, our metal piece here, made in Japan. Situated how it was. Like this. While we're here, let's test the spark. Screw it in. You can see. Nice and flush. Hold it. Let's see if we can film this. So, you gotta ground it. It's grounded there. And then somehow it's grounded. That's probably better. Oh, I know why. Silly me. You gotta have the ignition on. Duh. Key here. Suzuki. Throw it in the ignition. Turn it over. And not great spark. I've seen a lot better spark than that. Oh well, let's continue putting it together. See that? There we go. Should be better. Okay. Check. Your spark plug back in. Put it tighten. Put your cap back on. Nice and tight.